company called Tisun Beauty sent me hair to review, and it is called the Soprano Perm Kinky Yaki. 16 inches. I was sent 2 bags, and of course I did a U part, as you can see in the beginning of the video. So one thing that I'm already loving about this hair is that it looks so natural, so realistic. That's one of the things that I'm really loving about this hair right now. This hair came in color number 2, and my hair is a little bit darker than that. I did dye my hair a little bit, a temporary brown color, and it kind of helps just a little bit. I feel like I should have went just a little bit lighter, but I still feel like it kind of blends pretty well. I think the fact that it's yaki helps. 100% human hair, and I really love this hair. I just showed a picture of my initial install, and I had not put heat on the hair, and so now that I've actually applied actual heat to the hair, I feel like it blends even more. It doesn't look as kinky. It's like kind of like if you were to get a fresh perm and like you blow dried your hair out, and that's what it kind of looks like now. And I feel like it's perfect for my hair. The fact that I don't have to put that much heat on my hair, that is another plus for me. But yes, I'm really liking this hair. I feel like if I give it another week to 2 weeks, it will thicken up a little more the way that I want it to look, and I feel like it will look even more natural to where I don't have to put heat on my hair every day. This hair was sent to me by Tisun Beauty, and it's a beauty hair supply store that's located in North Carolina, and they have like an actual location, but then you can also go online and shop on their online store. And this is very convenient. Like if you don't live near a beauty supply store, it's maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes away, because I've been in a situation like that, especially college students. If you don't live, you know, the campus is not near any beauty supply stores, or it's just not worth the drive, you can definitely use their site to purchase hair on their site. And the hair supply store that's literally just 5 minutes away doesn't have kinky textures like this beauty supply store, and the fact that it's available online is amazing. Their shipping is very fast. The Perm Kinky Yaki hair from Deja Vu that I did a tutorial on, which I'll put like a link right here, that was, I actually purchased that hair out of pocket, and the shipping was pretty fast. Now they did 2-day ship this hair to me, but I will say that even when I ordered it myself, I got it in a reasonable amount of time. Like it came super fast. I want to say maybe 3 to 4 days. It was still pretty fast. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say regarding this review. If you have any additional questions, please comment down below. I'll have the site's links down below for Tisun Beauty, so you guys can look at their website. Also, I'll put a link to their blog, their Instagram, and also their Facebook down below in the description box, so please check that out. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Like today I'm kind of doing like a little 90s look right now. So I have my little choker on, and I love this choker. I got this from Claire's for like $6 or $7, but I have like 2 pieces out right here. My hair kind of in a half up, half down kind of style. So yeah, if you guys are looking at my hair and like, what is she doing? Well, I'm trying something a little different. I'm just kidding. Anyway, yeah, that's all I gotta say. So yeah, my real name is Kiana, and let me spell that for you, because I hate it when people get my real name and they spell it incorrectly. It's spelled K-E-Y-A-N-A, Kiana.